Alright, so here are certain key points, some important points which you need to know about the Qubo Pro 3K, the recently launched STARVIS-2 dashcam, and these points can help you decide if this is the right dash camera for you. Starting off with the fact that currently this is getting a huge discount. Yes, if you do purchase using the affiliate link given in the description below, you will be redirected to the dashcaminsider.in website, wherein you can apply the coupon code Gizmobeep and get a large discount just for this particular dash camera. Along with the fact that this also gets a hardwire kit bundle as well. So if you are interested in purchasing this dash camera to record your car when it's parked, you can get the hardwire kit bundle, which also carries some discount. So make sure to head into the dashcaminsider.in website and check out the superb deals that are present right there, including the one on the Qubo Pro 3K. That being said, this is probably the only camera which comes close to the price of about 10,000 rupees, giving you a dual channel setup along with giving you a STARVIS-2 sensor at the front. So this provides you a 1944p resolution at the front with a full HD resolution at the rear. The front camera shoots in a 4:3 aspect ratio, with the rear camera shooting in a 16:9 aspect ratio. The Qubo Pro 3K also gets a super capacitor. So in theory, the capacitors are much better in handling heat, and especially if your car is parked outside always in the high heat in the summertime, well, having a super capacitor will be theoretically much better than having a battery-based dash camera. That being said, this camera also gets a storage space of up to 1 terabyte. No limits on the storage space practically, so you can buy a 1 TB memory card if it's available, or you can even go ahead with a 512 GB memory card, which will give you hours and hours worth of footage without having to worry about loop recording. This camera also gets a GPS, which means it will record all the GPS coordinates such as the speed, the latitude, the longitude, which will help you later on whenever a particular kind of evidence is required. This camera also gets Wi-Fi, which means you can wirelessly connect this dashcam to your smartphone and stream the videos, watch the videos, and even alter the settings. This camera also gets a large 3-inch display, which means you can monitor the recordings, you can monitor the settings, change the settings right on the dash camera without having to connect the smartphone to your dash camera. Along with the fact that for the first time I have seen in a dash cam, the rear camera of the Qubo also gets a manual switch to mirror flip the image. So this means just in case if you have installed the camera incorrectly, you don't have to peel off the camera and reinstall it. You can just flip the switch on the rear camera, which automatically mirror flips the image and corrects it and gives you a proper orientation. That's a very thoughtful feature given by Qubo. So in the upcoming sale days, if you are planning on buying a STARVIS-2 dashcam and if you have a budget of close to 10,000 rupees, I think you should seriously consider the Qubo Pro 3K because of the current discount that is being provided on the dashcaminsider.in website. And if you are interested in purchasing this dashcam, go ahead, click down on the description. I've given you the link right there. Click on it, go ahead and buy it right now. If you do have any queries or doubts regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in any way, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking to buy a dash camera around the price bracket of 10,000 rupees. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.